today I'm going to be sharing with you the simplest scalping strategy that I use every single day. I've simplified this so much that even if you're a complete beginner trader, you'd have to try to mess it up. The best part about this formula is that whether you're trading on any financial markets like forex, crypto, gold, it works across all the financial markets. So here's the plan. I'm going to be breaking down this entire formula step by step. So today's objective is very simple. I'm going to give you a proven, ridiculously simple trading formula that you can apply from today, like exactly right now. You can stop this video and follow along the process or write down notes so you can backtest the data and then go ahead and process the rest of the stuff. So just for a little bit of more clarity for you guys to understand, this is the exact entry that I caught in my previous live stream setup, where you guys can see it went to full TP, and there are also days with SL, so I'm going to be completely honest here. You've seen it work in my live stream videos. The real question is how you can use it too. And recently, one of my premium students actually hit a massive win on gold using this exact formula. So I thought, why not share a glimpse of it over here too? Let's get into it. This entire system is built around just one candle. And once you understand how it works, you'll see why this method is so powerful, yet so simple. Now here's the idea. Every day we mark what's called a 4-hour range, which is simply the high and low of the very first 4-hour candle that forms during the day. The single candle, this exact 4-hour single range candle, gives us the entire day structure. I'll explain everything in a little bit later, but once you marked it correctly, you can scalp powerful moves on lower time frames like the 5-minute time frame. Let me show you how exactly you can do that. First, open your chart on TradingView. You can use any asset, forex, crypto, gold. Now make sure your chart is set on the 4-hour time frame. On the top left corner, you can see the 4-hour time frame. Click on that, and on the bottom right corner, set your time zone to New York time zone, where it says like UTC. Click on that, select New York time zone where it says -4. Click on that and you'll be all set. This step is super important, setting your time zone to New York time zone and not your local time zone, okay? Because the first 4-hour candle in general should be based on the New York time zone, not your local time zone. So now once you've done that, awesome, good job. However, to today's date and find the very first 4-hour candle that formed at the start of the day. For example, if today is 4th, I'm going to go ahead, so 4-hour time frame right here, right over here. Exactly select today's date and select the start of the day candle, which was formed. And now draw a line at the high of that candle and a line at the low of that candle. You can extend these lines if you want, which is what I like to prefer. But again, you can just draw like trend lines over here as well. You can extend all the way to the end of the day, or you can just mark it however you like it. And that's a good job. You've now just marked a 4-hour candles range. Awesome. Now, a quick tip is that you have to make sure that the 4-hour candle range, the 4-hour candle where you mark your range, that candle should be fully closed before you mark it. If it's still forming, wait for it to close first, okay? Because if it's still forming, it's likely it can reverse or hit your lines first. So wait for the 4-hour candle to fully close and then mark your levels, okay? Good. Now, once that's done, we now have our daily range. Perfect. Now this is what we'll be using to catch our scalping entries throughout the day. This is step number 1, is to mark the 4-hour range. If you want a custom trading journal that I personally use every single day to track my trades in my lessons, then go to the description box below, follow us on Instagram and DM us formula, and I'll send you all the resources for free. Let's get back to the video. Next, we move on to step number 2. This is where things get interesting, the setup. Pretty cool, right? Because this is the exact moment where we actually look for entries, where we look for setups to form. Now that we've marked our 4-hour range, it's time for the setup to find our opportunities in the market to enter, to place our trades. Now here's the idea. Once you've marked your range, drop to the 5-minute time frame. This is where we find our entries. Now this model is pretty simple. What we're looking for is a confirmed breakout outside the 4-hour range, a candle close back within that range, and that candle close will be our entry. No fake outs, no guessing, just break, re-entry, trade. Now let me explain. What we're looking for is a price to break outside the 4-hour range, whether either above this high or below the low. But here's the key. It must close above the range. Now wicks don't count, okay? If the candle crosses that line and it wicks you out, the wicks don't count as a breakout or like the break, okay? It must, the entire candle must close outside that range and come back within our range, okay? Once that happens, we wait for the price to come back inside our range, because it signals a high probability scalp setup for us to trade and enter on. Now let me show you what this trade looks like in real time. 5-minute chart, you can see that the price broke above the range high. Notice how it didn't just spike and stop, it closed below, confirming the breakout. Now we wait for the candle to re-enter into our range and close back inside, okay? This is our trigger for entry. And here's something that I also follow as well. Once we come back and a candle closes below our range, like within that range where we want to enter, I don't immediately place a trade because sometimes it could be fake outs, right? What I do is I wait for the market to reach to that exact same level where I can enter my trades. If you watch my live streams, you'll know what I'm talking about, but I explain this to you over here as well. But this is good for waiting for confirmation. If not, you can enter. Now that will be our trigger for entry, okay? And because we're using the same rule bias approach we teach our premium students in our community, even beginners can follow this confidently and enter your trades with clarity. Once the price comes back inside, here's how we enter. Entry at the close of the re-entry candle, or you can wait for the candle to hit back to this level so you can enter again, basically waiting for a better confirmation. If not, you can enter at a re-entry candle. Your stop loss will be placed at the exact high of that breakout candle for shorts, low for longs. Now your stop loss will be placed at the exact high of the breakout candle, although low for shorts. Now take profit, at least like target 2-hour trades, which is what I do personally. Every single time I target a 2-hour trade. First that hits, and then according to volatility and momentum, you can trail your TP and entry. So that even if it goes back, you'll still get out with profits, okay? But first, initially, this strategy works better if you target a 2-hour trade, risking a 1-hour loss. Risk 1-hour loss and target 2-hour profit. Best works for that, but just in general, don't be greedy, okay? It works for that. Meaning, if your stop is 5 pips, your target is 10 pips. Price broke above the range high, then came back inside. We enter here, and our stop is at the breakout, take profit at 2-hour, and then boom, price hits our target. And you can also, every single day I do live streams, so you can check out how this strategy forms in place in my live streams, where I live trade with you guys, and you can ask me questions in there as well. Also, if you want to check out all my trades as well, whether I take on Ethereum, gold, forex, or Bitcoin, you can check out all of our trades in our Tradex community. The link's in the description box below. Plus, you can also share your own trade ideas and your own thoughts in the community as well. It's completely free for now, so go ahead and join and don't miss out the opportunity. And again, according to volatility, you can trail your TP slowly, targeting 3 or 4 like that. But initially, first your target should be placed on 2-hour, risking 1-hour, which is what I found the most high probability setups in. The third breakout candle didn't close back inside, so no trade. Again, they're not always going to be just profits. There are also going to be losses according to this. So once you enter, it can hit your sell. So that's the reality of trading, right? You place your sell because of that. And until unless the price comes back and re-enters into our range, we're not going to be placing any trades. We're just going to ignore it. And notice how simple this formula is. And you're not overcomplicating things. You're not over-guessing. You're just following a rule-based system that works. But most of the time, you can hit your TP with proper risk management and proper entry levels, okay? So even if you're a complete beginner, you can start using the strategy from today on any asset, forex, crypto, gold, because the logic is same in every market. And one more thing that I do want to mention is backtest this strategy. I already done it 100 times before, and I use this exact formula every single day on my live stream. You can also go ahead and watch my live streams as well. But first, I would recommend you guys use this strategy on a demo account first, or backtest it so you can see the results live for yourself. But in general, backtest and learn how to apply this strategy on the charts that you trade, okay? Good. Now here are some key takeaways that I would recommend that you guys also note down. Wait for confirmed breakouts plus re-entry inside that 4-hour range. You can wait for perfect confirmation and then re-enter. Stick to 2-hour take profits. Stop loss is very important. 1-hour sell and 2-hour profit. Ignore trades that don't follow rules. Patience is everything. If you want to see consistent profits, then you have to wait because patience is everything. Multiple trades are possible as long as price re-enters that range within that same day. This is exactly the same approach that we teach our newer students who just joined the premium community of Tradex. And as you saw, this simple formula is fully repeatable. Plus, very important, again, backtest the strategy and use it first in a demo account so that you get confidence on how to use the strategy exactly. Now, if you found this video helpful, just imagine what we can teach you inside our premium community and a one-on-one mentorship where we sit down one-on-one and I take a look at all of your weak spots personally, and then we go ahead and look at how we at Tradex can help you become a consistently profitable trader. And at this channel, at Tradex, we're all about transparency and honesty. If I make a loss today, it's uploaded. If I make a profit today, it's uploaded. I'm documenting my journey transparent and live with you guys. And if you want all of our free resources, go to the description, follow us on Instagram and DM us formula, and I'll send you everything. And I'll also put a video over here or here. It'll be on the screen where I'll be using this exact strategy on live stream with you guys. So yeah, until then, keep trading, be disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video. And also comment any video ideas that you guys have. All right guys, peace out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.